I'm going to share with you guys how I made this plantain cake. No oats, no flour needed. Watch to the end and also help me to share this video, okay? So I have here with me ripe plantain. This recipe, you can also use the unripe plantain as well for this very recipe. If you want me to make a video about it, let me know in the comment section. So as you can see, I am peeling off the plantain. Once I'm done peeling the plantain, I'm going to chop the plantain into smaller sizes, just the way my blender can blend it. Next, I'm going to transfer it into my blender, and then I'm going to be adding 3 raw eggs. I added vanilla for flavor, which is optional. I went in with 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. I cover it, and then I'm going to blend it very smooth. When you're blending your plantain, make sure you blend it very smooth because you don't want to be seeing leftover plantain in your cake. Blend it very smooth and then transfer it into a bowl. If you're diabetic and you want to try this recipe, use the green plantain instead to try this recipe. It's going to come out nice. Follow the step I am showing you. Next, I added 1.5 cups of almond flour. I have showed you guys how to make almond flour, and then I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then you can see I mix it up nicely. Once I'm done mixing up like this, next I'm going to share the mixture into 2 parts. Then I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and then mix it up nicely. This part here is totally optional. Cocoa powder has no sugar on it as well. And if you notice, I didn't put sugar on this recipe since the plantain is already ripe. And I'm going to transfer it into my baking pan, and then I'm going to also be adding the one I mixed with cocoa powder just to give this a design. This is totally optional. If you don't have cocoa powder, don't stress yourself. Go straight ahead to bake your plantain cake, okay? Today's special hug goes to Gabriel, watching me all the way from Cameroon. Gabriel, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate. Do well to tell me where you're watching this video from so that on my next one, I'm going to send you a hug. So guys, as you can see at this point, I am going to bake it in the oven. So as usual, I bake it for 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Then guys, take a look at this. It really came out nice. Honestly, if you tell someone this is plantain, they will doubt you. When I cut it into 2, I was like, wow, just take a look at the end result. Perfect. Now tell me, does this right here look like something you would love to try? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to ice this cake as well, drop your comment in the comment section. Bye.